The moment I realized that the last recipe was loved by everyone, I decided to share this new recipe with you. Now, if you have been following this channel, I know you must have learned about thousands of new recipes that you thought that never existed. One of them is what I'm about to share with you now. But before I do that, let me appreciate my beautiful viewers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. Just subscribe and turn on your notification bell. It's free of charge. Like and share this video to your loved one and drop a lovely comment. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you for always coming back to support me. Thank you so much. Do not also forget to like and share this video. Now, the liquid you saw me pour inside the flour was actually a beetroot fruit. To achieve that beetroot fruit, you're going to get your beetroot, wash it very well, peel the skin, cut it into smaller sizes, and blend it with a little water with your blender. Sieve it with a cheesecloth, and you get yourself a very natural beetroot juice. One thing I notice on my channel is that people love to watch my videos, but they don't always like to remember to like it. I don't know if they always forgot or they just did it intentionally. So please, I'm begging you, if I can get like 10 likes on this video, I will be the happiest person on this planet Earth. Just do it for me. Thank you. So now that I've covered this with Lila, I'm going to leave it to stay for like 30 minutes minimum, or you can actually leave it for like 1 hour. Then after that, I'll bring it out and go in with my vegetable. You can choose any vegetable of your choice. Once I added here, I will list everything and other ingredients in the comment section. Okay. So I'm going to mix it. Please, if you have allergy with pepper, don't use your bare hand. Just wear a glove before you mix. Now, once you are done mixing, this is how you're going to scoop it and drop into your hot oil. This particular section is always difficult for some people. And if you find it so difficult, please use your ice cream scooper, or you can use your kitchen spoon to do this. Just scoop them and put inside a hot moderate oil. The oil must not be too hot, else the outside will burn while the inside will not cook. Always remember to flip it over and allow them to cool gently until it's crunchy.
This year is my year. No one can deny my progress. I will meet my destiny.
Once you notice this color, or once it's crunchy on your turning stick, just know that it's ready. Just take them out from heat and spread on a parchment paper or a kitchen towel to drain off excess oil. Repeat the process to the remaining one if you have any other ones that is left. And your healthy beetroot puff puff is ready. Will you be trying this recipe that I just shared to you today? If you love this recipe, can I get a reply on the comment section? Thank you, and do not forget to like and share this video to your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I will see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.
Help her very soon. God, let my wishes come to pass.